When you're given a tool such as Westlaw Next, it makes it that much easier to be given a research assignment, hop online, get it done, and then present it to the partner and be confident that what you're presenting is accurate.
It's a great question, because on the one hand, the partners were really the best part about working the ropes in gray, without a doubt. The folks that I interacted with were, across the board, meticulously honest people, extremely brilliant, hardworking. They were great strategic thinkers, and they were our role models. So these are the people that we looked up to, and certainly had we stuck it out there, there's no doubt that that's the type of person that I would want to be, and the type of people that we'd want to emulate. So sure, we looked up to them, and I could definitely see myself in that role. But on the other hand, I think that Michael and I approached our careers a little bit differently. And in truth, the moment we both stepped in the door, we were already looking for ways to change things. We approached things from a different perspective, but the one thing that we shared in common is that we maintain this kind of fresh outside perspective that gets lost over time. So if you stay in an institution for 15, for 20 years, you kind of accept the way things are. You accept the status quo, and you sort of see things as being unchanging. That's just the way things are and the way things always will be. And what we tried to do was maintain this fresh outside perspective, to be a little bit more critical about things. Michael looked a lot more into the business law model of the traditional law firm. He wanted to understand things like, are lawyers happy? If so, why? And if not, why not? He wanted to know about why some law firms are better at retaining lawyers than others, and why some are more profitable than others. And I really was much more critical of law firm technology. When I saw a dissonance or some sort of discord between where technology was today, or where I knew technology was today, the state of things like web applications, and where law firm technology was, which is always a few years behind, it always upset me. And so those were really fun times. We would spend a lot of time in each other's office, bouncing ideas off of each other, criticizing each other's ideas, and observing things, telling each other things that we had seen, things that we had learned, and trying to craft something a little bit different. We knew that we wanted to disrupt the legal industry. We knew that it was time for a change. And so we set out to draft a rough outline of what a modern day law firm should look like. We started from scratch, built from the ground up, and over time tinkered with it and modified it, and really threw some things out, kept other things in, and eventually came up with this really nice skeleton of what we thought a modern day law firm should look like. And when we tested it against our peers, against people we trusted, we got a lot of support. And so finally we decided just to take the plunge and make it happen.